Imagine stepping onto the water at dawn. The surf is calm and promising, every cast filled with anticipation. As bass anglers, we know that the thrill isn't just in the catch, it's in reliving those moments, sharing them with friends, and documenting every heart-pounding strike. That's where our video camera sunglasses come in, transforming your bass fishing experience into a seamless, hands-free adventure. These innovative sunglasses are more than just eye protection. They're your personal videographer, ready to capture every cast, every strike, and every triumphant landing, all from your own unique point of view. Unlike bulky action cameras that require mounts, straps, or complicated setups, our sunglasses fit naturally into your routine. Slip them on, and you're ready to record in crisp, high-definition video. Whether you're threading a lure, making a perfect cast, or setting the hook, the camera follows your gaze, capturing every move without distracting from your focus. This means you never miss the big moment, and you're free to concentrate on fishing, not fumbling with gear. The lenses are polarized, cutting glare and ensuring your eyes stay comfortable and your footage remains clear, even in the brightest sunlight. Bass fishing often takes us into environments where agility and freedom of movement are essential. Our camera sunglasses are lightweight and designed for comfort, so you'll barely notice them as you navigate your boat, wade through shallow water, or hike to a hidden pond. The built-in camera operates with a simple touch, making it effortless to start and stop recording whenever the action heats up. And with extended battery life, you can document your entire fishing trip, from the first cast to the last, without worrying about missing a single moment. One of the joys of bass fishing is sharing your stories, the ones that get away, the ones you finally land after a hard-fought battle. With our sunglasses, you can record every fish you catch, capturing the fight, the landing, and that triumphant moment when you lift your bass from the water. The high-definition footage is perfect for creating highlight reels, sharing clips with friends, or posting your catches on social media. And if you want to snap a quick photo instead, the camera's photo mode lets you capture still images of your fish, preserving those memories with a single click. Imagine the satisfaction of reviewing your footage at the end of the day, watching each cast and every catch from your own perspective. You'll see details you might have missed in the excitement, how the bass struck your lure, the technique that worked best, or the way the sunlight danced on the water. It is not just about recording, it's about improving your skills and reliving the adventure long after you've left the water. And for those who love to share their fishing stories, our sunglasses make it easy to create engaging content, whether you're an experienced angler or just starting out. So, if you're planning your next bass fishing trip and want to capture every thrilling moment, these video camera sunglasses are the perfect companion. Experience the freedom of hands-free recording, the clarity of high-definition video, and the convenience of snapping photos on the flick. Don't let another big catch go undocumented. Make every fishing trip unforgettable. If you're passionate about bass fishing and love sharing your experiences, be sure to subscribe for more tips, gear reviews, and fishing adventures. And leave a comment below telling us about the biggest bass you've ever caught. We'd love to hear your story.